Since 1875, Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram has been San Jose's premier automotive dealership. And here's another great example of one of our quality pre-owned vehicles. It comes equipped with rear view camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, steering wheel controls, auto high beam headlamp control, alloy wheels, keyless entry, speed sensing steering, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, outside temperature display, and has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. After viewing this vehicle, we hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you why Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is the best place to buy your next vehicle.